The entertainment industry is constantly broadcasting content. News outlets, film projects, online streams, media is all around us. So, for the creatives who work in the industry, we've put together a list of Envato Element's top 10 best broadcast packages to make your job a little easier. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Broadcast Screen Package by Premium Milk. A contemporary 3D cinema design provides the perfect screen to showcase fashion, food, sporting, and auto goods. Any products are sure to take center stage with the help of this broadcast template package. Number 9. My TV Broadcast Package by Pixflow. Introducing and promoting the next episode of a binge-worthy TV show is an easy feat when using the number 9 broadcast package in our list. From lower thirds to credits, this pack has it all. Number 8. Multi-Platform News Graphics Toolkit for Premiere Pro by Framestore. This adaptable toolkit has been created with all forms of media in mind. Whether you're streaming news on the web, TV, or mobile app services, these graphics are fully customizable to suit your program. Number 7. Clean Broadcast Pack, Essential Graphics, Mogart by Zorin. With a neat circular design style and bright contrasting colors, this is one of the best broadcast packages for television, YouTube, and social media figures looking to lift the branding of their channel. Number 6. The Complete World Weather Forecast Toolkit by Framestore. This super versatile weather forecast toolkit is an amazing resource for news stations. It contains a huge array of forecast tables, icons, graphics, and openers, as well as maps for single countries, regions, continents, and full global capabilities. If this video is up your alley, we'd love to see you ring that bell and subscribe to our channel. Like and share if you think you know someone who could utilize the featured resources. Now, let's get back to the breaking news of our top 5 additions to this list of Envato Element's top 10 best broadcast packages. Number 5. Business Broadcast Pack, Essential Graphics, Mogart by Proskorovsky. The over 80 graphic elements in this broadcast template package are clean, sophisticated, and perfect for use in any business-related vlog, YouTube channel, TV show, movie, or other media production. Number 4. Virtual Studio Set, S01 by HardEdgy. This innovative virtual studio set package is based on real-life broadcasting shows. The camera movements, presenter placements, even the layout of the studio are all carefully constructed with an actual newsroom setting in mind. Number 3. Clean TV, Stylish Broadcast Pack by Zorin. Effectively communicate your brand's message with this stylish broadcast pack containing templates for bumpers, logos, openers, commercial breaks, lower thirds, and much, much more. This truly is the full broadcasting package. Number 2. Awards, Cinematic and Luxury Titles by GeorgeFX. Gorgeous bokeh-style animation and luxurious design elements make this template pack perfect for promoting a night to remember at the cinema, theater, awards ceremony, or whatever high-profile event you're working on. Number 1. News Channel Pack by Ray Johnson. It's easy to see why this extensive pack of modern news broadcast elements has come in at number 1 on this list. It takes a multifaceted approach with slick transitions and engaging text panels to help your news channel stand out from the rest. Now you're ready to broadcast your exciting media to the world with the Envato Elements top 10 best broadcast packages on this countdown. Which one stood out to you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share with anyone you think might find this a helpful resource. The next video in the queue has been chosen just for you, so be sure to check it out before you go. Find all the best broadcast packages in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements and use them to create amazing, informative, and engaging content.